Now let's go through some cell selection shortcut. Let's try some keyboard shortcut to quickly select cells. Don't use the mouse. So for this particular example, if you want to select the one to the right, you hold shift and then you press the right arrow. If you hold the control and press the right arrow, you jump to the next non-empty cells, like this. Now if you hold control and press the right arrow, it's going to jump to the last non-empty cell also. Now if you hold control and shift and then you press the right arrow, it's going to select all the non-empty cells in the series. Now if you want to select the first two cells using the keyboard, you just hold shift and then you press down. And then if you want to select all non-empty cells using the keyboard in this list, you go control shift and then press right. And then select all non-empty cells using the keyboard in this example. Since the first row already been selected, you hold control shift and then you press down to select the rest of them.